I got it. Money ain't a thing if I got it. Money.
That's how you started off anyway. Espérate. What's going on, you guys? We back at it with another video. We've been out for a little while, but we back. She's too hype as always, guys. We gotta calm her down. So we out here. We got family, just family, right? Oh, where's my keys? Oh, there it is. We got family out here. We about to go ride. Where we going? To Old Town?
We're going to Old Town.
About to go ride to Old Town. We got our cop spotter right there. And we got the rest of the fam right here. We got that one over there. It's about to be his first time riding. We got this one right here that we just picked up this bike. Damn, we should have did a video that day. That would have been nice. We got this booster right here. Another booster over there. The R3. Okay, the sexy ninja right here. And I'm not even part of the club, but whatever. We finna get it. I don't got no gloves on today, but we finna ride anyway. Are we going right now? Or are we going to La Terraza first?
We're going to Old Town right now.
We're not going to La Terraza first?
No.
Okay. We got the whole squad out here today. Sorry you guys, we haven't made any videos. A lot's been going on. We've been busy and all that. We got some content coming out for you guys, but you know, soon I'm gonna be getting surgery as well, so I gotta go on the low for that a little bit, but we'll be back. We're gonna come back strong for you guys and make some content. We're just starting, you know. We're trying to get our feet wet into this YouTube life. Got the squad. Woo-hoo! We lit. Look at the Busa. We got the Busa out here. Woo! So today we're about to just go ride to Old Town, give a little ride. You know, a couple of us is still new. Not a couple of us. I'm sorry. We got one in the crew that's still new and stuff, so he's practicing at the same time. Best thing to do if you're a new rider and all that, the best thing to do is ride with people, you know, like ride with a group, ride with your friends, with your family, whatever you gotta do. Don't ride with people that are gonna be leaving you behind and, you know, they wanna go fast and rush. Not the best thing to do, alright? You're new to riding, go ride with people. Okay. My bike is not loud at all. But I bet you any money that was the ZX-10R. Oh man, it's just so sweet. Downtown Orlando. I keep going too fast. I gotta slow down. Boom. Loyalty. Watch my squad. Watch. Whoa. We too lit. Oh, that's funny. Woo! Taking orange, I guess, a long way there. That's gonna be long. Oh, damn, detour. We got here the squad. Here. Mira la cámara. Duro. Well, guys, the funny story is we're lost. They had a detour on the road that we were supposed to go through, and now we're lost. This is John Young right here. Oh no. Yeah, we could turn on. This is OBT. We take OBT. OBT or John Young. John Young. Okay. That boy said he nice. So we finally made it to our destination. Gonna see if we can find some parking. parking. Vamos a parquear aquí. Vamos a parquear ahí. Ah, mírala allí. We made it. Te tira. Vamos a parquear allá. De espalda. What happened?
Tú que no sabes grabar.
What do you mean no sé grabar? What do you mean?
¿Tú no viste todo lo que pasó ahí con FAMM y la tipa? Did you record that? No?
Why?
I was telling you, record that.
I was gonna pull over to see what happened. ¿Qué pasó?
El ruido de la motora. No, mira que el parking coge lo que no quieren muchas motoras. No quieren muchas motoras. No quieren que aceleren.
¿No está botando? ¿No está botando?
Ya está acelerando, compa.
Yo le dije a Yomo, It was me. It was me.
You did a wheelie?
No. I revved it a little bit. Vamos acá ahí entonces.
Yo no le voy a escuchar los abanicos a ella.
Ahí está. Ya no. ¿Tiene?
Ya, yo espero que esa tipa no se hubiese dejado y hubiese seguido detrás o alguien no
He almost, when we split up, when I split up from you guys,
yo
Baby.
tenía ganas, así sale, ganas por yo atrás y grabar yo la traía
when I
Yo
split,
hubiera dado un jalón.
La tipa, es que no pude, ella estaba aguantando y él la siguió y ella se arrastró por el piso. Y yo, graba, Carlos, graba, porque él tiene agua y no.
¿Y qué fue lo que pasó ahí?
El tipo le chocó a la tipa por allá abajo,
Por
¿te
atrás.
recuerdas?
Sí.
Pues la tipa lo persiguió.
Alguien en el PM le tiene una tipa, la llevaba por atrás por la
Papi,
tipa.
el tipo tiene que tener chao, porque cuando no se paró, dijo, para el carajo, yo arreglo mi caso, voy a arreglar el de ella.
F the police. Well guys, that's it for tonight. We had a little ride. Everybody just chilling, we went out. This is just a welcoming type of video. Hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. We got the Busa right here. Ooh, it's chilly. So you can whip. Look. Ready? I do one wheelie or no? Just one. That's it for the video, you guys. Stay tuned for more vlogs. This wasn't really a vlog or anything. We just wanted to keep you guys up there, let you guys know that we're alive. You know, we'll be back on the bike soon, and but that's it. Thank you guys for tuning into the video.